So what do you photograph? Well, I always start out by taking an overview of each room, and I've got some photos that I'll show you. So I stand as far back as I can and I take a photo of the whole room. If you're doing a video, you would do the same thing. And if you have a smartphone that has a panoramic option, you can try that. But I'll do an overview of each room, and then I will take a photo of each wall in the room. Then I'll take a photo of the floor and a photo of the ceiling. You might have a chandelier, recessed lighting, a tray ceiling, so you want to have a record of that also. Also take photos of anything that's built-in furniture or appliances, and window treatments. Then I take photos of individual large items, including appliances. For small items, I'll usually do a grouping. Maybe you've got 3 things on a lamp table. You don't need a photo of each of them. You could take one photo of the 3 of them. And if you're using Excel, you would list the individual items in the Excel spreadsheet. If you're using software, you would upload the one photo with the 3 items in it, and you would put it in 3 places listing each of the items. Then what you want to do is you want to have a photo of the interior of each kitchen drawer and cabinet shelf. Now, I don't remove everything from the kitchen drawers and the cabinets and take a photograph, although one of my clients did want that, so we did it. It's up to you. But for my own inventory, when I look at a photo of the cabinet shelf, I know what's there. So I don't have to take a photo of everything. I've got a photo of the shelf, and you can see some of the stuff behind it, but I don't take them out and take photos of each item. Also in the bedrooms, you want a photo of each dresser drawer in each section of each closet. I also recommend taking pictures of the outside of the home. You might have a lot of lighting that you've had installed and landscaping. If you have an attic with things stored there, remember to take photos of those items, and in the garage, and if you have an outdoor shed, and if you have an off-site storage unit, you want to inventory that also. And it's a good idea to inventory your safe deposit box at the bank. Now, a couple of tips for photos. If you have expensive china and silver, take close-up photos of the markings. What I do with china is I'll turn one dinner plate over and take a close-up of the markings on the back of the plate. And then I'll take the full service of 8 or 12, and I'll take either the dinner plates or the lunch plates, and I'll put it on the counter, and I'll take a picture so that you can see how many there are. If you have expensive silver, do the same thing. Take a photo of the close-up of the markings, and then do a photo maybe of one place setting, and then maybe 12 or 8 or however many of the knives or the forks, one of those, to show the quantity. Electronics, I mentioned earlier, take a photo of the serial number. If you're photographing jewelry, I like using a 12-inch ruler next to the item to show a size, because if you have a gold chain that is 16 inches and you have another one that's 24 inches, that changes the value. So it's good to show the size. And if you don't have a 12-inch ruler, you can always use a yardstick. And I like to lay them out on white or black poster board or foam core rather than fabric. I think they show off better. And don't forget to take pictures of your smartphone and your tablets and your computers, of course. And then the contents of your medicine cabinet and the bathroom drawers. Don't forget all of that also. It all adds up. And make sure you've got enough space on your phone and on your computer for all those digital photos.